Jnana Vignesh, the first question is towards you. What are all the things that we need to do as an MBA student when we are attending a group discussion? In which area we have to plan and in which area we have to prepare in group discussion? Now, in one activity, memory was instilled. In one activity today, putting all the clues together was instilled. And towards the end in this activity, how you are memorizing and how you are collecting the points. So in the way over physical game, we learned something. So by envisaging all that, can you tell me what should a person do for preparing well for GD? Ansalna, you told me that you will be answering if I am asking about the learning discussion. So my question is, so let's assume a situation where you are attending a group discussion and there are almost about 18 individuals in a group, right? And you are the 19th person. And from BSMED, you are the only girl. And there are 18 other people. And they shout. And they were not properly trained. But you are a trained girl. So the timing is no problem. It's 15 minutes GD. So you can speak and sneak through. So in that 15 minutes, with the other 18 members, what will be your strategy to crack the GD and get shortlisted? Michael, when it comes to answering the group discussion, like Jnana Vignesh and Ansala mentioned, you got to speak boldly. You know, both of them meant a common point, speaking bold. What do you think? Apart from speaking bold, what other measures we need to take for clearing ourselves in a situation like group discussion and personal interview? Apart from speaking bold, what else do we need as a skill? Ritesh Balaji. It is something that happened in your team. Like it's like a Australian team playing league matches really well, and in the semi-finals, they were all out for 110 runs. Likewise, something happened in your team. Now, I would like to relate this to the real-time situation. Basically, as a team, you people are really very, very strong team. But when something like this happens in a group discussion, you answer really well, or in an interview, you answer really well. But at the last minute, if there is any mistake, because of that, the entire success has been shattered. During that situation, how can we emotionally handle that? Right answer. Thank you. Good job. Sit down, please. 40 points. Now, let me give you a small formula comprising all the learning that we had in this Invest and Harvest, which has been conducted for about 3 working days now, and we will finish. If you would like to fare well in the group discussion, first and foremost, there has to be an urge to speak in English. For a gentleman like Mukesh, Jayachandran, of course, Rajesh, and of course, Nitish Balaji. When a question is being asked, I have to answer this question in English. Aprindra, that urge has to come. Forget about English proficiency. Forget about grammatically correct English. But the urge has to come that I can answer in English. Right? What should we do for creating that urge? When do you think that urge has to come? It is like joining a gym, and for the first 10 days or 20 days, you're only doing the ground exercises and body weight exercises. And the trainer gives you the dumbbell and the barbell only after 20 to 25 days. And after doing these ground exercises, you get an urge that now I can go and really do well in the bench press. Now I can go well and really do with the pullovers. And the urge vandadukapram, you start doing exercise. Likewise, my dear boys and girls, if at all Manikandan Sundaresan is asking a question to a guy like Nitish Balaji or Jayachandran, if these people have to speak in English and give the answer in English, the urge has to happen. For that, what do you think these gentlemen have to do? And there is no time. In another 1 month's time or 2 months' time, you go for an internship, done. Your first year is done. And then you are calling yourself as a second year MBA student. And another batch of student will be coming as first year. So there is no time. First, idudha mukyam. Urge to speak in, yes, it's a foreign language as Aishwarya mentioned. Urge to speak in English. What should you do to get that urge? Because if that urge is not there, the boy or the girl will not speak in English. Enna pannalam? I don't want to speak about my story. That's not essential here. But I can share with you one thing that helped me. Internal translation. Let's say Clementia watches a wonderful Hollywood movie this morning. And Clementia has got a very, very weak English. And I tell Clementia that at what time did you watch the movie, Clementia? Sir, I watched between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. 3 hours. It went like a flash. Okay, Clementia. Now, speak about that English movie within yourself. Speak about that hero within yourself. Speak about the storyline. Translate about that movie within yourself in English and tap yourself when you're doing well. And when you're translating within yourself, what happens is your subconscious mind starts believing that, okay, fine, I can also speak in English. And Clementia does this, as Anzalna mentioned, and as Darshini mentioned. Clementia does this for about 15 to 20 days. 21st day, something happens. Clementia meets Manikandan Sundaresan. And she says, can you make a seminar here in our training session about globalization? I can do that, sir. She says, I can do that, sir. And she comes and stands here with the podium and she speaks in English. What happens here? In just a span of 20 days, urge, development has happened. I can also speak in English. Bring your challenge. I can speak in English. This is all you do. And with amount of reading, Anjala?
I have the practice of speaking in English in front of the mirror. In my home.
We'll see that in the next session. I'll definitely talk about that in the next session. Don't worry, I'll help you. Thank you for honestly revealing that. Good job. After the internal translation, you have to read something. And when you read, what happens? When you do the curl, your biceps is getting completely turned out. Likewise, when you read, vocabulary is getting muscled up. And after that, as Ansalna mentioned, go and stand in front of the mirror, speak in front of the mirror for 5 minutes every single day. But in order to answer, then comes the next step. First step, Jayachandran, are you listening properly? First step, internal translation in English. Second step, reading 20 minutes every single day. Third step, go and stand in front of the mirror, speak like a nonsense in English for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then comes the important one. Peer group motivation. Kumaresan at one point of time goes and asks, dude, Murli Tekekrar, dude, would you like to join with me in a team? And then he comes to Genelia and he asks, would you like to join our team? And then he comes to Narmada and says, would you like to join with me? And then Jason, would you like to join? So, Kumaresan, Jason, Murali, Narmada, Genelia, these 5 people, after 5 o'clock, just till 5:20, 20 minutes, seminar hall or in the classroom, they have a quick 8-minute group discussion every single day, every evening, consistently, between 5 and 5:20. The mind is getting attuned, the mind is getting conditioned, and for the next 10 days, if they do that, அதுக்கப்புறம் 11th day ஒரு GD நான் அரேஞ்ச் பண்றேன், நீ எப்படி பேசாம போறன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Simple. Why don't you have a focused group and a peer group and start, have a discussion within yourselves. 5 பேரோட ஆரம்பிங்க, அது 10 மாறும் 15 மாறும். Every single day, just 5 to 10 minutes. நான் உன்னை அதிகமாலாம் பண்ண சொல்ல. 5 to 10 minutes, speak something, appreciate each other and correct each other and you leave. This is the next step that you need to take. And in this particular step, practice for group discussion, practice for interview. Now, a person like Kirtana mentioned that whatever weak person you are speaking, that's me. அப்படின்னு அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. So, imagine a person like Kirtana being in this peer group. This peer group is a great boon. அது உள்ளுக்குள்ள வர வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. நீங்க மட்டும் நான் சொல்றத ஒரு 5 நாள் பண்ணி பாருங்க. அது ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஐடியான்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். 10 ப்ரொஃபசர்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுத்து உனக்கு வராத விஷயங்கள்லாம் அதுல வரும். இப்போ ஒரு மேண்டேட்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். peer group இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு மேண்டேட் இருக்கு. and that is connected with the internal marks அப்படின்னு ஒரு கம்பல்ஷன் இருக்கு. யார் அந்த peer groupக்கு வாலண்டியரா பண்ணலான்னு யோசிப்பீங்க? put your hand up. Kavya 1. Okay, right. Most of the numbers. Thank you. உன் பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை மட்டும் சூஸ் பண்ணு. இதுல தயவு செய்து A class B class discrimination பார்க்காத. Right? A class A Bன்னு 2 செக்ஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா that's actually twin. அந்த காலேஜில் twin. Right? A class அது கொஞ்சம் bright, B class அது கொஞ்சம் dull அப்படிங்கிறதுல it's twin என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். So focused group. And the last step is GD பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் the last ironic step. O stands for opinion, S stands for sequencing, E stands for examples, and C stands for conclusion. உனக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட 15 minutesல you give your opinion. Benita has got opinion about it. I'm saying, Benita, this is your group discussion. I mean, Wipro used this group discussion topic in January 2026. What is the group discussion? அதை நீங்க கூட practice பண்ணீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Work from home is better or not அப்படிங்கிறது. அதை பத்தி Benita கிட்ட கேட்டோம்னா Benita says the opinion. Okay, these are all my opinions. Fine. Okay, Benita, now opinion. It's a raw material. இப்போ இந்த ஒப்பீனியனை வந்து சீக்வன்ஸ் பண்ணி எதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லலாம் எதை செகண்ட் சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னு நான் பெனிட்டாட்ட கேட்குறேன். அண்ட் தென் ஓகே ரைட், ஸோ திஸ் ஹேஸ் டு பி செட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், திஸ் ஹேஸ் டு பி செட் செகண்ட், Fantastic. Okay, now raw material has become a structured material. Now comes the third step. What is the third step? Add data and example. If you say work from home is bad, Benita, what are all the examples you have and what are all the data we have? Yes, I have data. So Benita gives some 2 or 3 data and example. Now, structured material has become an authentic material. அதுக்கப்புறம் how can we conclude by speaking about this? அப்படிங்கும்போது Benita comes up with the conclusion. Now the authentic material becomes a fact, determined fact. And a boy or a girl who speaks determined fact in group discussion will be selected. Am I right or wrong, Benita? So, formula is done. Opinion. Loud and fast. What is the first one? Opinion. Second one? Sequence. Third one? Examples and data. அவ்வளோதான். இதுக்கு நீ ஆக்ஸ்போர்டு யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் இங்கிலீஷ் படிச்சிருக்கணுங்கிற அவசியம்லாம் கிடையாது. கெலாக்ஸ் யூனிவர்சிட்டி, ஜேம்ஸ் கார்டிஃப் யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் படிச்சிருக்கணுங்கிற அவசியம்லாம் கிடையாது. யூ ஹாவ் டு ஹாவ் காமன் சென்ஸ். இதை மட்டும் பண்ணு. நோ மேட்டர் ஹூ யூ ஆர், நோ மேட்டர் வாட் எவர் த கம்பெனி இஸ், பிரிஸ்க் வாய்ஸில் நீ அதை பேசினேன்னா யூ ஆர் ஷார்ட் லிஸ்டட். ஸோ இதுதான். இப்போ நான் சொன்ன இந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸை மட்டும் அடுத்த ஒரு 10 days ஃபாலோ பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க. Reading, mirror conversation, internal translation, peer group mechanism, and when you are practicing with the peer group mechanism, follow this formula. OSEC. Opinion, sequencing of the points, examples and data, and conclusion. அதை வச்சு practice பண்ணி பாருங்க. Every single guy and every single girl will fare well in the GD. Okay? Let's see. பார்க்கலாம். நீ பண்றியா இல்லையா நான் பார்க்க தான் போறேன். Will you give the cooperation? All right. Thank you so much. Meet you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.